Hi, I'm Yulia Skachenko. This is my website mock course for homeschool. It has a couple of different things, and you can see in the side panel I have class announcements, class photos, contact me, extra credit, documents, homework assignment, collaboration assignment, Russian homework assignment, physical health assignment, and so we can look at some of the things that I have. If you go under my homework assignment in Unit 2, on domain and range of the function, I start out the page with exit ticket as a poll. It asks for what is your opinion on information. Did you find information easy? Did you try to compare information by keywords? What was your favorite keyword? And so I have a couple of different PowerPoint presentations on functions, domain and range, and linear equation. And then I have a quiz that just checks the very basics. It's a 10-point quiz and has 20 minutes to solve. Asks for email and student name, and then a couple of questions on functions. And I actually use rubric and like rubrics quite a lot. So I have created under the collaboration this for classmates presentation tools. And in the last slide, I attached a rubric that highlights the fact that students want to use Wikipage, Padlet, Google Slides, and present. And so if they found on topic wiki, they get 2 points. If they found slightly off topic, they get 1 point. If they didn't find it, 0 points. For Padlet, if they participate in discussion and come up with a strategy that's helpful, it's 2 points. 1 point if there's a strategy but still needs work, and 0 points if nothing. And for Google Slides, again, simple, 2 points for creating one slide with for presentation, creating one slide that doesn't quite have the full solution, and 0 if nothing was attempted. And so for presentation, I decided that 2 points is having notes in the presentation slide and the presenting, and 1 note if a person came up with one or the other, 1 point, and 0 points if they didn't come up with notes or the or presented. And also I have used a rubric in One More Place. But in total, I thought week 3 was very useful. And unfortunately, because I'm not affiliated, there's a big organization and tutor. This is the most I can take sort of chance on as far as coming up with a couple of ideas for students. And but very excited about all the possibilities we have on the web. Thank you for watching, and look forward to your comments.